All right, so do you feel like you learned something?
I learned so much.
On your SmackDown?
I learned so much. I feel like I got a real beauty beat down.
You did. And what's happening now?
So because Scott gave me a beat down, it's only right that I give him a little beat down and, you know, introduce him to a little something called the sharpshooter. Just a little. Scott, you're gonna be great. He's gonna be great. So I'm gonna be kind.
Leaving.
I'm gonna be very kind.
Wait a minute. Your makeup's looking up.
Powder. We need powder. I need a powder puff. Okay, Scott, you want to be down? You want to be down? Tap. You give up, Scott?
No.
You give up?
No.
I said tap out now.
Done.
Oh, there we go.
Watch where I'm going down.
What are you gonna do? Hit me?
You wanna shake my hand?
Yeah.
One, two, three. Now that was a beatdown. That's it. That's your match.
Wow. That was crazy.
Yeah, that was a beatdown. Yeah. Good job. Hey guys, this is Natty, and I'm with my good friend Scott Barnes. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love, Natty.
Thanks for watching the Scott Barnes series.